If your neck constantly feels tight, your shoulders run forward, and no amount of stretching seems to fix it, this might be the most important few minutes you spend on your body. As a physical therapist, I have worked with thousands of people dealing with forehead posture, rounded shoulders, stiff upper backs, headaches, and achy necks from years of sitting, driving, scrolling, and working on a computer. And most people are treating this completely backwards. They try to force perfect posture all day, chin tucked, shoulders pinned back. Some people even wear posture braces, hoping it will magically fix the problem. But posture is not something you hold, it's something your body supports naturally. And if the muscles that support your neck, upper back, and shoulders are weak or stiff, your body will always fall back into the same position, no matter how hard you try to sit perfectly. So today, I'm going to show you the 3 most important areas I focus on for neck and forehead posture. We are going to strengthen the neck, restore movement to the upper back, and rebuild the muscles that help support better posture naturally. The first thing most people completely ignore is neck strength. When your head constantly sits forward, the muscles in the front of the neck gradually become weaker and deconditioned. Over time, your upper traps and muscle around the base of the skull start taking over, which is why so many people constantly feel tightness and tension there. So we are first going to strengthen the neck flexors. Lie on the edge of the bench or bed with your head unsupported. Slowly lower your head down toward the floor, then raise it back up under control. Don't rush the movement, control the lowering portion slowly. You should feel the front of the neck working, not strain or sharpen. Start with about 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Next, we are going to strengthen the deep neck flexors. These are smaller stabilizing muscles in the front of the neck that help keep the head positioned over the body properly. And in people with forehead posture, these muscles are very commonly weak. Start in a quadruped position with a light resistance band around the back of your head. From here, gently tuck your chin straight back while looking down toward the floor. Think about making a double chin, hold briefly, then relax. If this position feels too difficult, you can also do the exact same movement standing up. The goal here is not huge movement, it's controlled activation. You'll usually feel this deep in the front of the neck. Perform about 10 slow reps for 2 to 3 sets. Now, here's something most people miss. If the upper back becomes stiff and rounded from years of sitting and looking down, lifting the arms overhead and maintaining upright posture becomes much harder. Your body starts compensating by pushing the head forward instead. So rather than only stretching the neck, we also need to restore movement to the thoracic spine. Place a foam roller across your upper back and support your head with your hands, then gently extend backward over the roller. Try to keep your ribs engaged instead of flaring them upward. The movement should come from the mid and upper back, not the lower back. You can work your waist slightly higher and lower on the foam roller to find the areas that feels most stiff. Move slowly and breathe. Perform about 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets. The last area we need to strengthen is the upper back. Most people with rounded shoulders become extremely dominant through the upper traps, while the muscles that help stabilize the shoulder blades become weak and underactive. That's where face pulls come in. Attach a band around face height, stand tall and stay as upright as you can. Pull the band toward your face while rotating your thumbs back behind you. As you squeeze, make sure your shoulders don't shrug upward. Pause briefly, then slowly control the movement back. You should feel the muscles between the shoulder blades and lower traps working, not just your upper neck. Start with about 10 to 15 reps for 2 to 3 sets. The goal here is not to force perfect posture every second of the day. Perfect posture doesn't exist. What matters is having the strength and mobility to move freely between positions. So if you stay consistent with these movements a few times a week, over time, your neck, shoulders, and upper back can start to feel completely different. I will see you in the next one.